I'm coming back to this. I did a video about this a while ago. People said a lot of questions, and I'm going to answer some of the questions in a minute, but I'm just going to talk to you about what's changed. So, primarily, previously, I was using this as the main internet connection, which is an Apple Airport. We're now not using that as the main internet connection. We're getting internet in over here, by the way. It was going into this previously. And I've got a unified security gateway. It's just one of the old USGs. I know they're end of life, but this will never be a public-facing connection. It'll always be behind somebody else's firewall, so I'm not concerned about the latest and greatest. And then coming in here, we've got main internet and the backup internet, which will be this, which can connect to a Wi-Fi, or we might use a Starlink. I'm looking at using a Starlink for this, because sometimes this goes to other locations and stuff where internet's not that great. Then we just got I think it's a TP-Link, I can't remember now. It's a TP-Link switch, which is doing PoE, which is important because we've got the access point. Power coming off to this Mac, which is running Ubuntu, which has got all the like lighting control systems for the desk and stuff that we use to do some screen content. I recently bought a Mac Studio, which nice and neatly fits on top. This is just running Capture. It's just got it's just HDMI out and stuff like that. It's got Capture on it. QLab, stuff like that, which is used for shows. Yeah. But also coming out here, we've got the network switches that are on the desk. There's just one on the left. There's one in here somewhere. But yeah, so people had questions. Why am I not virtualizing this stuff? That was one of the key questions that a lot of people asked. What's there to virtualize? So, the thing is, I could put it on a virtual server, but I need it to be physically close to me. So, like, the speed at which this can send commands to that computer is important. It has to be the quickest. Like, it has to be the quickest thing that we can do. And previously, when there wasn't a USG, it was all really on here. There was just internet coming in here. There's not really much to virtualize. I don't know what they thought was happening here, but yeah. I just got a single access point. We don't really use the wireless that much, but because we create some DMX networks. Sorry, I keep moving the camera around. We create some DMX and some tech networks. I just put an access point in. I had one. It's just useful to know that this sort of stuff is on the Wi-Fi, that you can just put it on the Wi-Fi. Yeah, I think that's that. I just wanted to do a bit of an update. Network switch. There is another network switch somewhere. It'll probably be in the bag down there. But yeah, hopefully this has been interesting. I'm going to do another video. I'm going to a different network later on today, actually. Kind of far away. So I'm going to film that. It's got some Unify cameras. It actually remotes back to this house to do some Protect stuff. So I'll talk about that.